I got the whole convoy headed that way. We're going south. Crowley's Ridge Raceway, Paragould, Arkansas. I got a Higgins with me, but it ain't Brian. What up, buddy?
What's going on?
Nothing. I won't bug you while you're driving.
What's playing tonight?
Nathan came with us today. Give us a little hand because B is working. He's out of town. So we find it only fitting we go out of town with him, but we're going out of town to race. Say hi to everybody. What's up, what's up? Oh, Mom, I can't see you now, Kim. Kim and the kids stayed at the house. They know it's going to be a late night, but we're headed down that way. See if we can, what kind of trouble we can get into. Hopefully none, but that's Gary in front of us. In front of him is Mark Crady. So we're all going to go down and have a good old time. After the hot laps, it was very slimy. It was slimy out there, but the car had good traction in some places. So I think they're getting ready to do some more hot lapping. I talked to him earlier, he's a cool dude. But we're getting ready to do some hot lapping. I mean some heat racing. I'll show you the heat race lineup, but it's a cool little track. We just got done with the drivers meeting, and we'll see what we got. Our car had pretty good bite in it. Wasn't bad. Like I said, a couple places it was still slimy, so we run 5th in the running order. Here is the heat race. So here's the A-mods. Where are we at? Right beside Gary. Second heat, 4th row outside. Mark Crady. 3rd heat, 2nd row outside. Well, how'd Mark luck into that 2nd row outside start? All right, so there we are. And 20 cars. So we got our work cut out for us. Hope we keep our nose clean and we keep it running, but it's running really good right now. Hope we can keep that going. So unless anything else interesting happens, I'm gonna strap you back in the car here and we're gonna get her going. Just lock her down and go. Big on top, little on the bottom.
Just like sprint car.
Just like you like your women. There you go, gear change complete. Getting ready to go out for the heat race, so it's kind of rush. So I'll get you mounted in this car, but strap you in, lock you down, and get going. Let's do some winning. recap. Right at the start of the race, everybody checked up. We wound up rolling into second. Tried rolling the bottom, it didn't work. Too free for us. So after battling with the 97 car, I decided to put her up on the top, and I did. Put her up there and slammed in the cushion enough times and broke the back bumper off of it, and we lost another camera. Thankfully not my new GoPro I just got, but we'll go out there and look for it here in a minute. I'll probably find it. So I put us second. We finished second in the heat. Mom, where'd you say we start at? Fourth row inside of the feature. So we got a decent starting spot. Start 7th. Gotta love a number 7, right? So we're gonna see what we got, but we didn't tear nothing up other than a bumper and that lost camera, but I've had it for a long time. So we're gonna change the gear again because rolling up there, it's a lot longer around and we need a little bit less gear. So we're gonna do that, do a couple more adjustments, try to tighten it up just a little in case I do need to roll the bottom, and send it. So we wanna thank you guys for coming along. Like, comment the video. If you like what you're seeing, drop me a comment below. If you got any questions, as always, we're gonna strap you in, lock you down, and get you going. You ready? All right, so we got our gear figured out. Everybody told me to gear it up here, and I did. It's too much. Of course, we don't got traction. What do you think, bud?
Hey man, what's up?
You make it everywhere I go.
Hey, I told you I'm not a #1 fan, but I am a fan. You down here in Arkansas, my home state.
You got it.
Tearing it up.
I hope we ain't tearing it up.
Well, you know what I mean by tearing it up. I
Yeah.
mean slinging some dirt.
He's my good luck charm. He's here tonight.
That's right.
We're gonna do something. We're gonna see what we got. What's up, Mark think over there? Woo!
So what you have to do, put a little gear in it, take some gear
I'm
out.
gonna take some gear out of it.
Take some gear
And
out.
I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit.
Yes.
Need to
Yes.
tighten it. It's very free. So if I want to roll bottom, I gotta do something.
Yeah.
I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna think about it.
That's good. You got plenty of power.
Oh yeah.
You got,
Plenty
you
of
got,
power.
you got your family.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Cold beer after your races?
Yeah, I wish I could hang out with you, man, but I gotta head back up.
I ain't gonna be far behind you. I can promise
Oh,
you
man.
that.
Pretty clean that time.
I seen you was wiping her out pretty
He
good.
went that right out.
Well, anyway, thanks for coming tonight,
No
man.
problem.
Appreciate it.
We need a wrench.
Yeah.
Big 1-inch? All right, we're gonna go get his wrench. Got her all lined out. You can close it. I won't stand anywhere, it'll smash me. 1-inch wrench. Big old piece of glass. That's crazy, we're gonna get rid of that. We don't need that. Left-handed throw. Oh, excuse me. All right, we're gonna do some adjusting because we gotta get better. See what we can do. That's about bad. We about went for a big wreck. Got into the wall, and we collected it. Went up in the air and lost the back bumper again. Knocked a new one off. So John, we're gonna need some more back bumpers, buddy. Get the welder out. I don't think we tore it up too bad. Probably shocks and stuff like that. But we had her rolling on the top. I would have got 3 guys right there. I had to put his top 3. But what do? You know, guy didn't know I was there, so can't blame the guy. So I don't really know where we finished. Tires are hot. Oh my goodness. They're real hot. Just feeling the tires. They're warmish. Whew, they're warmish. I wouldn't be using them at all. You can see we got in the wall a little bit. It's a good thing I put my old wheel on. We went up in the air pretty high. It was lacking a little bit of drive off the bottom, so we just had to put her up on top and roll the good dirt. But first time here, I'll be back. That was a cool race. I think we had a top 3 car easily. But what do? Prevail and race again. Motor ran good, didn't have a problem with that. It's semi in one piece. So our journey to the ridge was a good one. We'll be back. We're gonna drink some beer. Call it. You want beer? You got to drive.
I got to drive.
I'll drink one for you.
All right, drink one.
I don't even know if we got beer, but somebody around here will. And I want to thank everybody that came by and stopped to talk to us. People, fans of the channel, Old Number 7 Garage here. We really appreciate you guys. There's some cool people we met today. One of them won his heat race. I don't know how he did in the feature yet because it didn't happen. Yeah, pruned that sucker plumb off again. Plumb off. Good news is we probably got both of them parts, don't we? Yeah, both of them plumb off.
Made a match.
But driver's okay and car's probably gonna be fine. So I'm gonna call it. McGalley's hot clothes. We're gonna go watch the rest of the races, get home. I hope you guys had fun hanging out with us at the Old Number 7 Garage at the Ridge. Till next time, appreciate you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you.